How to remove connected device on Spotify. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Spotify app on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Further, go ahead and tap on your profile option from the top left of your screen. You will see the option for settings and privacy. Tap on that and you will see the option for apps and devices. Tap on that. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see all the devices that you are connected to. I have not connected to any device at the moment. If you have device connected, then simply tap on the device name and you will see the option for forget the device. Tap on that to forget the device, and with this, the device will be removed. So this is how you can remove connected device on Spotify. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.